Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's so good to have you here. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. We've got a lot of incredible content coming your way to help you unlock your potential and live a more fulfilling life. Today, we're diving into one of the most impactful, proven, and widely respected mindset practices you'll ever come across. And no, it's not meditation. It's not journaling. It's daily gratitude. 2 simple words that can literally rewire your brain, upgrade your emotional state, and shift your entire perspective. We often hear about gratitude, but how many of us truly practice it consistently? Let's break it down and see how it can transform your life.
If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Imagine this. Your alarm goes off. You're tempted to reach for your phone, scroll through social media, and instantly get bombarded with information, comparisons, and maybe even a little bit of FOMO. It's a recipe for starting your day feeling behind before you even get out of bed. But what if there was a different way? A way to start your day feeling grounded, positive, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. That's where the morning mindset reset comes in. Before you check your phone, before you even get out of bed, take just a few minutes to practice gratitude. Grab a notebook and a pen, or simply reflect in the quiet of the morning. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be deep or profound. In fact, the simpler, the better. My coffee, my dog's face, or even the fact that I woke up. Why does this work? Because when we focus on what we're grateful for, our brain releases dopamine and serotonin, those feel-good chemicals that boost our mood and reduce stress. By starting your day with gratitude, you're essentially priming your brain for positivity. You're shifting your focus from what you lack to what you already have. This simple practice can have a ripple effect throughout your entire day. You'll find yourself feeling more patient, more optimistic, and more resilient in the face of challenges.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Let's be real. Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Challenges are inevitable. But what if we could approach those challenges with a new lens, a lens of gratitude? This isn't about ignoring problems or pretending everything is perfect. It's about finding the lesson, the opportunity for growth, even amidst the chaos. Take a moment to think about a stressful situation you're currently facing. It could be a work deadline, a relationship issue, a financial worry, anything that's weighing on your mind. Now, instead of focusing on the problem itself, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? Maybe that work deadline is teaching you about time management and prioritization. Maybe that relationship issue is highlighting areas where you can communicate more effectively. Maybe that financial worry is pushing you to be more resourceful and responsible. When we approach challenges with gratitude, we shift our perspective from feeling like a victim of circumstance to becoming a student of life. We start to see obstacles as opportunities for growth, resilience, and self-discovery. This doesn't mean the challenges magically disappear, but it does change how we experience them. We're able to navigate them with more grace, more patience, and a deeper sense of purpose.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Gratitude isn't just an internal practice, it's something we can share and spread to others. And when we do, it creates a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. Think about a time when someone expressed genuine gratitude towards you. How did it make you feel? Probably pretty amazing, right? Now imagine having that same impact on someone else's life. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture. It can be as simple as sending a text message to a friend telling them how much you appreciate their support. Or maybe complimenting a coworker on their recent project. Or even just thanking the barista for making your morning coffee with a smile. When we express gratitude out loud, we're not just making someone else's day. We're also rewiring our own brains. Studies have shown that expressing gratitude can boost our happiness levels, strengthen our relationships, and even improve our physical health. It's like a positive feedback loop. The more gratitude we give, the more we receive, and the more we cultivate a sense of abundance and joy in our lives. So, make it a point to spread gratitude like confetti today. You'll be amazed by the positive impact it has on both you and the people around you.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So, there you have it. 3 powerful ways that daily gratitude can rewire your brain and transform your life. I want to challenge you to put this into practice. For the next 7 days, every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. No skipping, no excuses. Just do it. And watch how fast your mindset starts to shift. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Let's spread the power of gratitude together. And remember, you don't need more to feel better. You just need to notice what you already have. See you in the next one.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.